Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, I'm going to share you a great DeFi project named Blobfish Protocol. As you know guys, there are many scam projects that come into the market and they without paying us anything, they scam us a huge amount of money. They scam us. But the what is Blobfish Protocol? This is a very great platform. It will not scam you. It is just a hidden project I found. Blobfish Protocol is one of the world's first blockchain-based freelancer token on the Binance Smart Chain network, which is fully decentralized and smart contract support. Here you can check problem solved, and high commission rates are applied for each job done on international freelancer platforms. In addition, after these commissions are applied, you will have to pay commission when collecting from the bank. When you have done this with crypto, you will only pay network fees. These fees are considerably low on Binance Smart Chain than other networks and faster than most networks. A variety of other platforms can only occur with a centralized global freelancer platform. For example, delay in transactions, but with Blobfish Protocol, no such problems will occur. So that's a great point. Here you can check the goal of the website. Our this site goal is to completely remove the worries that we experience when purchasing a service or products on freelancer sites. For example, the huge charges associated with transaction. Thus, the portfolio really belong to the freelancer. Although some platform many provide brokerage services for you, they receive at least 10% commission, and people prefer to take risk rather than spend money on the platform, which means that users do not like to pay money on the platform. This is exactly why the team prefers to use Binance chain infrastructure. Blobfish website, the website will be ready tomorrow. I will make another video on that. Awesome merch has been created by our team and will be available in our website. Okay, you can check Blobfish bot, a working telegram bot exclusively purchasable with $8 AST and available on website. Think Rocket, a slick user interface allowing anyone with no tech skills to set up a telegram price bot. You can check Blockfish tickets. Each Blockfish ticket will be having varying amount of pre-IDO tokens that are inside it. The tickets themselves can be traded on NFTX, or they can be swapped for token after the IDO at the time of the token generation event. So you can simply follow that Blobfish protocol on medium.com. So I will show you how to you can buy this protocol. Simply, when you open this link in PancakeSwap, simply click I understand here, simply click continue, and simply connect your wallet from this. Simply choose MetaMask. I choose MetaMask, so I select MetaMask here. Simply log in your wallet here. Simply click unlock here, and when you click unlock, just a second, you can check your wallet will be login here. If you want to buy from one BNB, you can check how much balance you will get. You will get 9024510 BLB. You can simply swap it here guys, simply clicking down and simply clicking swap here, and you will get the token here. And you can check the token Blobfish protocol on BSC scan. You can check the total supply is 1 trillion BLB and holders are 66. This I told you, this is a hidden project. This is launched 2 hours ago. Transfer is 136. You can check the Blockfish protocol on PooCoin.app tokens. You can check here, and you can check how much it's growing fastly. So you can check fully here. So